AI, or artificial intelligence, is helping make digital marketing easier and faster. It can help create content like blogs and social media posts using tools like ChatGPT. You can also use AI to plan and post on social media with Hootsuite, or manage your ads with Google's Smart Bidding. Tools like HubSpot help send personalized emails, and ManyChat lets you talk to customers anytime using chatbots. With Zapier, you can connect different apps, and SEMrush helps improve how people find you on the internet. AI makes everything work smoothly, saves time, and helps give better results.